Now, guys, the point is that these are the numbers that we needed and we took it from annual report. One important thing is these numbers are called hard punch or input data. Whether you call it a hard punch or input data to make a decision. So this input data will be used to forecast and bring other numbers also, correct? Other numbers will be formulas which will be black colored, but these are blue. Now the point is that if you remember, these are all your expenses. Do you see in my screen that these are all your expenses? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So these numbers are expenses, which I've put it on bold. And can we say this is your income? Income
Yes, sir.
means something that you're earning, correct? When I say interest income and expense slash expense, so expense, it is denoted in brackets. So this is an expense. Interest income is not denoted in brackets. So we can say these are both our income, which we are receiving. So the bold numbers are your expenses. Can we say this? Correct. Now the point is when we actually create a model, like here in this, we don't see, like we know that these are expenses and this is your income, but there is no differentiation between the two. So when we create a model, we convert all these numbers into negative. Negative means we have to put a minus sign at the start like this so that it becomes negative. And the negative is denoted as brackets. The moment I add a negative sign at the start, I will be, if I enter, it will be converting to a bracket. Is that clear? So we need to convert all of these bold numbers in negative. So how to do in negative? Don't just put a minus sign on all the cells. You can have a shortcut for this. So I will write a -1 at somewhere at the in in a side. Just mention -1 and look at my screen very carefully. You have to do this in your sheet also. So put -1 somewhere. Copy that number. Correct. After that, after copying it, select this area which you want to convert into negative. Then go to paste special. This is your paste special, right? Under paste special, you select multiply and formula. Sorry, multiply and value. So just select multiply button and value button and say OK. So the moment you say OK, it will be converted to negative. Can you try it in your sheet?
Sir, can you explain it once?
Yeah, sure. So I will say -1 at somewhere at the right. Copy this, select this time. Suppose I'm selecting this area. Okay. Then I'll go to paste special and under paste special, then I'll go to paste special again. And once I do so, I select values and multiply. So I have selected values and multiply and said, okay, the moment I do so, it will become negative. Is that clear now? Or do you want me to do it again?
Sir, actually, I got the minus sign only. I didn't get that bracket.
Sorry.
Sir, actually,
Yeah,
when I'm doing that now, I got -9,
same,
That's
not
same.
that,
okay. If
not the
I
bracket.
didn't get it in brackets, sir. I got minus sign.
Yeah,
That's okay. If
me
you're
too.
not getting a
I
bracket,
got
that is
it in
okay.
bracket.
Yeah. So if you're not getting bracket, if you're getting minus, if you're not getting bracket and getting minus sign, that is also fine. Don't worry about it. I will convert that for you. But are you able to do a negative for this? Even if it is bracket or minus,
Yes,
that is okay.
Yes,
yes,
So
yes, sir.
okay, yes.
keep doing that. Keep doing that. I'll do it like this also again. Then I will do this. Then I will do this. I will not do this because this is already negative. One is negative, two are positive. So we don't need to do for interest, income, and expense. So this is negative now. This is negative. This is negative. This is negative. This is negative. So this is how your sheet should look like. All these numbers that you see on my screen, the minus should be minus and the plus should be plus. Now, many of you are not getting a bracket. You're getting uh, this minus sign. So there is a way to do so. Select this area which you want to convert into negative, correct? then go to this, go to more number formats again. Again, go to custom. You already have seen the custom. Now what you have to do is you have to type something that I'm going to type, okay? 0, semicolon, then bracket open, then again 0, then bracket close. I'll just give you this syntax on WhatsApp as well. This is what you have to type. The moment you do so and say okay, you will get things in brackets. I'll just repeat it again if you want me to. Select this area, go to format, more number format, custom, and I will type this 0, semicolon, bracket open, 0, bracket close, and say okay. The moment you do so, you will get the minus into, the minus will be converted to brackets.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Done? Good. Now the thing is that we need to calculate few things like gross profit. So what is the formula for gross profit, guys? How to do gross profit?
Revenue minus cost of revenue.
Revenue minus cost of revenue. So what we can do is we can use a sum formula. Why?
Sum.
Because if we use this comma this, as you know that cost is already negative. So even if I use sum, it will be deducted, correct? This is already negative. So we can do this comma this to get your gross profit, drag it towards right so that you have all the three numbers.
So one second.
Yeah, sure.
Can you repeat? Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, sure. So what I'll do is I need to calculate the gross profit. So I'll do some formula, some bracket open, then revenue, comma this. So I will get 91,360. Then I will drag this like this, Control R, and I will get all the numbers.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now the next is that I will calculate the total operating expenses. Can someone tell me how will I calculate total operating expenses? Anyone?
The sum all of
Sum of
three,
all
right?
the yes.
Sum of all the indirect expenses will be total operating expense.
Yes, sir.
So I don't need
Yes.
to do a minus cost of revenue because it's already deducted from the revenue as gross profit. So I just need to total operating expenses, which are indirect expenses. So I'll select all the three, sum it up so that I get a aggregate expense for the indirect, right? How will I do EBIT?
Gross profit minus operating expenses.
Gross profit, comma, operating expenses. So from the gross profit, right? Then we will do the profit before taxes. Can someone tell me how will I calculate profit before tax? So profit before tax will be EBIT minus your interest. So sum this minus this comma this will be, you'll be getting the profit before tax. And then net income will be profit before tax, comma, taxes. So because you'll deduct the tax from PBT to get your net income. So this is about your income statement.